It's a great day for a drive, especially in a 2020 F-150 XLT in Abyss Gray. It has black sport cloth interior, seating for 5, 4 doors, and a 5.5-foot box. This has a 2.7-liter V6 EcoBoost engine paired with an automatic transmission, and it's a 4x4. It also has the 2.7-liter EcoBoost V6 payload package, as well as running boards, power sliding rear window, line box with box link, and tailgate step, as well as many more features. If you'd like to take this vehicle out on a test drive, you can book it online at islandford.ca. Stay tuned. We're going to have a look under the hood and inside and out. This is a 2.7-liter EcoBoost V6 engine paired with an automatic transmission, and it's a 4x4. Let's have a look inside. Speaker in the door, as well as power locks, windows, and mirrors. The driver's seat is powered with lumbar, and you have all-weather mats on the floor. Your electronic parking brake is located here, power pedals, lighting controls, and there's a grab handle and running board, just making it easier to get in. On the face of the steering wheel is your dash controls, cruise control, media with volume, and hands-free dialing. When we start up the vehicle, you're going to see any important messages, the odometer reading, and the menu will come up as well. So we'll just take a look at that. Display mode, trip fuel, towing, off-road, settings, and these all have sub-menus. And we'll just go back up as I press the button. In the center is a little cubby, and we have our traction control, hazard lights, and auto stop start for less idle time. On the display screen, we have audio. We can tune into that. And I'm just going to turn down the volume. We're going to our sources, AM, FM, Sirius satellite radio, as well as Bluetooth. And we can go into our settings and just slide through for different options located there. And so we can touch on whatever we want. In general, you can change the distance. So for instance, if you were traveling somewhere where their signs are in miles, you can change it to miles from kilometers and back again. You can change the language and so forth. You also have your Apple CarPlay, Ford Pass Connect. You can change the look of your display, Android Auto, and these all have submenus as well. When we put the vehicle in reverse, this is where we're going to see our backup camera view. So right off the back here, our bumper, green, yellow, red, just how close we are to other objects or vehicles, and there's your center line. Let's put us back into park for safety, volume, and tuner. And then down below is your fan, your AC, max AC and AC, heated seats for driver and passenger, front and rear defrost, and in the bin, in the little cubby here, we've got a couple of USB outlets and a place to put objects. And you have an automatic select shifter as well as drive mode. So we press that, it'll appear on the dash, just keep pressing. So it went from normal to tow haul, snow wet, eco, sport, and back around again. So as weather conditions change, road conditions change, we can adapt to that. Gives you more or less traction and control as needed. A couple of cup holders, and your armrest opens up. It's quite generous. You've got a nice little bin. Take that out. Got an outlet down below, a 12 volt, and you've got lots of room. And then off to the side is another 12 volt and 110. You've got your locking glove compartment, grab handle in the body, auto dimming rear view mirror, and your lighting controls, sunglass holder, and you have a power sliding window in the rear, and that's what that button's for. 2-inch wheels, mud flaps, magnetic running board, body color door handle, keyless entry keypad, driver's side capless, easy fuel gas filler, black handle extends to your tailgate. You have a light to the right, and your backup camera's just below the handle, backup sensors on your bumper, 4- and 7-pin connector, trailer hitch, and a locking spare tire. When you want to open up that tailgate, you simply put your hand in the latch, and then it'll bring it right down. You've got a nice lined box with tie downs in all 4 corners, as well as box link, and you've got a tailgate step. Just pressing here, little button, pull it out. And you've also got that little yellow button off to the side, and what that does is it creates a handle for you. So you just pull that out, gives you some stability. And then when you're ready, just close it up, lock it up, and walk away, or jump in and head out on your latest adventure. And on your fob, you have remote start. Speaker in the door, as well as power windows and grab handle in the body. There's seating for 3 in the back, and you'll notice that the material is sport cloth, and it's got this nice tire tread design, and it's a 60-40 split. So we just lift the seat with one hand. It just gives us more room on the floor, and then pull the tab, and that allows us to bring the seat down. Anchors at the base to be able to tether baby seats. An all-weather mat runs from one end to the other, and slim pockets on the back of the front seat. In the center is a couple of cup holders. You have your 12 volt as well, the 2 USB outlets, as well as your 110. And then there's hooks and lighting up top, And in the back, access to a power sliding window with rear defrost. Body-colored bumper and center console, which are part of the sport package. You have a 5.5-foot box with mud flaps that the box is lined, and it has a tailgate step, privacy glass in the back windows with window vents, adjustable side view mirrors that are heated, hood vent, as well as halogen headlights, fog lights, tow hooks, and so many more reasons to visit us. If you like this video and would like to see more, please subscribe. We have plenty to share with you, and we'd love to hear your comments.